On this video, I would just like to say viewer discretion is advised. There will be graphic pictures and scenes here. So if you don't like that stuff, I would recommend getting off here. Again, this is your viewer discretion. This is your warning. If you don't like this stuff, please don't watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Megan, and so today I have to talk to you guys about animal testing, because I know it has been said for a while, but since I'm getting a bit motivated, to film and stuff, I would just like to talk to you guys about this because it is not very fun. So, if you don't know what animal testing is, for our cosmetics such as shampoos, conditioners, makeup, and a bunch of other stuff, they're basically testing animals with it in a very cruel way. I'm going to be showing you guys some pictures. Again, viewer discretion is advised. So I pulled up a few pictures here. This is an example of animal testing. You can see this poor monkey, whatever this long tube thing, putting it on the poor monkey's eye. This is cruel. And that is how we can have our makeup. And that is how we can have our shampoos, conditioners, skincare, and all of this stuff. And people buy this stuff. And I can admit I do as well. But it's not good. Like, that's why you gotta do your research before you buy stuff. If you get it as a gift, okay, use it. Even if you don't support an animal, it's for animal testing, use it, because that's a waste. Even if you don't support it. And that's why I do a lot of my research before I, look up stuff, because any of this products and stuff that I mention in this video is not sponsored, by the way. So, I follow this girl on TikTok, and she does a lot of hair care stuff. And, so I've been trying to, get some really, really, nice hair, and my hair is really nice, but I want more nice, if you know what I mean. And so I basically think that for the products is haste as I am, and I look it up, and I need to make sure that they are cruelty free before I buy them or anything. And some of the stuff that is not cruelty free is Neutrogena, Cetaphil, CeraVe, and I'm going to be listing a bunch of other products like Maybelline too. And even if we like these products, even if we like this makeup, now I know there's people in the world who think animals don't have feelings and stuff, but then why aren't they here? They have a brain, they have a heart, they have a body, and these scientists and animal testers are using that body, and these animals die. And it is very, very sad. This next one I would like to show you is another monkey, whatever this shot is, putting it in his arm. Like, why do people, and it's choking it, why do people even offer to do this? In this rat. Now, again, I know people don't like rats, but they have lives and stuff as well. Look, needle. Wherever it's going to go. It's going to go up his nose and his mouth. And then these poor bunnies, you know what they do? Hashtag save Ralph, by the way. These bunnies go in these poor things, so they cannot move. As you can see where my cursor is. And look, it's a domestic rabbit, by the way. Domestic. It's like cats that you have at your house, dogs. They're all domestic. And look, and then they put it in their eye. I watched the Ralph video. And then this poor mouse or whatever. And they lock him up in cages and all sorts. This one is a cat. Look at this poor cat. People think this is good. Look, he has this weird earpiece or whatever it is. Just look at this photo for me. Look how sad it is. And these cats and dogs and all these animals that are getting tested for our cosmetics that we use are scared to death. See? You see where my cursor is by its ear. They tattoo numbers. So this one, I don't know, it looks like 1,000 or something, but you see this green little thing here? They mark it, like literally. They shave a part of any animal's fur, and then they mark a tattoo. Like they mark like those tags when you go to a zoo, and they and the penguins and stuff have those tags on. Well, why can't it just be like that? Why does there have to be animal testing anyway? Literally. That's not what they do. You can see they literally do this, and this is abuse. Very sad. Here you have this dog. Look at it. Just look how sad. This dog has been abused, beaten up by these scientists and people who have done animal testing. Like, look at this. It looks like they burn him, and I'm glad this dog is right in this picture not dead. I hope it's not dead right now. I pray to God that it's not. But it's being abused, and it's probably in pain. And people think this is good. Very sad. Let's see what the definition of what animal testing is, according to Wikipedia, aka Google. I'll need a couple breaths here. And you can also see these other pictures here. But anyway, and with the mascara right here. But anyway, animal testing, also known as animal experimentation, animal research, and in vivo testing, is the use of non-human animals in experiments that seek to control the variables that affect the behavior or biological system under study. This approach can be contrasted with field studies in which animals are observed in their natural environments or habitats. Experimental research with animals is usually conducted in universities, medical schools, pharmaceutical companies, defense establishments, and commercial faculties that provide animal testing services to industry. The focus of animal testing varies on a continuum from pure research, focusing on developing fundamental knowledge of an organism, to applied research, which may focus on answering some questions of great practical importance, such as finding a cure for a disease. Which, let me stop there. Such as finding a cure for disease. That's a good thing, but they shouldn't have to do it on animals. Look at this monkey right here. Look. That is sad. Like, yes, we would love to find cures for diseases and stuff, but it doesn't have to be in this specific way. It has to be all sorts of animals. Even one kind of animal is bad. Think of multiple cats, dogs, rabbits, rodents, monkeys. Very, very sad. They don't need to do this. Examples of applied research include testing, disease treatments, breeding, defense research, and toxicology. Includes cosmetic testing. What did I tell you? In education, animal testing is sometimes a component of biology or psychology courses. The practice is regulated of varying degrees in different countries. They're trying to make it seem like, oh, it's all right to do that. It's fine, you know. It's not that bad. It's pretty bad. Like these photos here, and they're trying to say, oh, this isn't very bad. It is pretty bad, excuse you. Let's go to YouTube. And let's see some animal testing videos. And if you don't want to watch this, again, you can exit out of this video. So if I look up animal testing, I'm going to turn down my volume just so it doesn't get copyrighted. So I wanted to show you this Save Ralph short film. And again, I will not be able to have sound on just because of copyright. But this is by the Humane Society of the United States. So in the description it says, introducing Ralph, this new spokesbunny of a global campaign to ban animal testing for cosmetics. Hashtag Save Ralph. Please comment down below in the comment section. It's a powerful stop-motion animation short film produced by Humane Society International, featuring an all-star multinational cast including I'm sorry if I don't pronounce these right, Ricky Gervais, Zac Efron, Olivia Munn, Palm Clemente, Rodrigo, and more. All that. So Save Ralph is a powerful stop-motion animation short film featuring Oscar winner and Taika Waititi, as the voice of Ralph, who is being interviewed for a documentary as he goes through his daily routine as a tester in a lab. So HSI's hashtag Save Ralph campaigns tackles the cruelty of animal testing in an original and unexpected ways, using the story of one bunny to shine a light on the countless rabbits and other animals in laboratories around the world. While Ralph is animated, the miseries he endures in the short film are far from made up. As Spencer Susser, the director of Save Ralph, says, it's so important that Ralph feels real because he represents countless real animals who suffer every day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put captions on for you, so watch out for the captions. Let's watch this. And again, I would have it with the volume, but I still gotta do research. So let's see. So Save Ralph, y'all. So here we go. Ready? We're rolling. Ralph, can you mark it, please? Do you want me to click it now? Yep. And guys, I'm just gonna read it, because why not? Go for it. Go on. Like that? Brilliant. Oh, it's like sorry, I'm just gonna let you watch it. And then I'll pause it. See, they can make the rabbits and stuff blind in their right eye and such. See, like right here. See, so they get their they get burns on their back, their fur shaved. See, it hurts when they breathe and move around. Ugh. Yeah, see? A bunch of rabbits are getting tested. And other animals, too. See, it's sad. And watch. Yep. Gets in that cage thingy. A safer lipstick, deodorant, all perfume. See, this is how it's like, but real. Watch. It's about to come up. I've watched this twice now. Yep. You see that? Now look at his other eye once he comes. See the back? Look at that. No animal should suffer and die in the name of beauty. Help Humane Society International ban cosmetic testing on animals globally. So I want you guys to please put hashtag Save Ralph in the comments section down below if you are still here. If you are, thank you. So now we're going to look up animal testing, real ones. We're going to try this one. And I'm just going to be like skipping through it and such. So this is by Vice News. The load, please. I'm going to try loading back in. See, okay. So we can try this one by Escify. 10 darkest real animal experience. See, watch. Two-headed dog. And then I don't know if this one's going to be very accurate. I'm just going to try. Here we go. Remember to look here. Poisoning, suffocating, torturing, testing. Begin testing. Just look at this. Again, viewer discretion is advised. Just makes me feel so sad. That's a baby monkey right there, and his eyes are stitched closed. Just like stuff like this, you guys. It's so sad, and people think this is great. It's not great. I don't understand why people think this is such a good thing. Well, some people, I'm not saying everyone. I'm going to show you some brands that do test. So let's see brands that test on animals. Here we go, 2021 update. These are stuff that tests on animals. These are not cruelty-free, by the way. So let's look at fragrances. So Aqua di Parma, if you use that, that is not cruelty free. I don't think this is a very good website. Okay, let's hope this works. Alright, here we go. So 3M, Johnson & Johnson, AIM, Airwick, Algenist, Revlon, Always, Johnson & Johnson, American Beauty, Aqua di Parma, Aqua Fresh, Aramis, Arm & Hammer, Arid, Atelier Cologne, Aveeno, Bane D, whatever. You can just look through. Burberry, Blue Buffalo, Bobbi Brown, Bounce, Bounty, Breathe Right, Perfumes, L'Oreal, Calvin Klein Cosmetics, Chapstick, whatever Chloe is. These are just like all the stuff here. Clean and clear. Clorox, Close Up, Colastar, Comet, Command 3M, Condensed, Paris, Crest, so like toothpaste, Dawn, and Dawn says to protect the birds each time. I'm just now knowing this. Dial, Diesel, Dior, Downy, Dr. Brandt's Skincare, Dr. Jart, Dr. Skull, Drano, Dry Idea, DTRT, Dunhill Fragrances, Durex, Easy Off, Everclean. Just like all of this, and Glad. Let's just look up. Let's see. CeraVe. I don't know, but I'll search up on Google. Let's just look up random stuff. It's popular. Alright, let's see. Does Neutrogena test on animals? Okay, Neutrogena is not cruelty-free. Neutrogena pays and allows their products to be tested on animals when required by law. Very sad. Let's look at Cetaphil. By the way, guys, Bath & Body Works does too. Or no, Bath & Body Works does not. Cetaphil does not test on animals. I was wrong with that point. Wait, hang on. Because I remember it did before. What? Okay, good. Good, that's good. What about CeraVe? Yup. So I'm not going to do like this whole thing. But just comment down below if you have any questions on if any certain product tests on animals. I will sure answer them. But guys, we need to stop animal testing. We need to stop supporting products that do test on animals. But guys, I just thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it was a bit graphic. But it's just reality. It's just the truth, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell on and like the video. Bye, guys.